Welcome, today we're going to show you how to watch YouTube on Android Auto on any car. So it's actually very easy. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your phone and go to any browser. You can just open any browser from here like Chrome browser. And now you need to search for AAAD. You can add GitHub and search for it. As see from here, this website will pop up to you. You can just click on it. And now you need to scroll down all the way down till you find the release section. I'll see from here. You need to click on the latest version. After that, you will find the APK file. Click on it and now it will start downloading. So after it finishes downloading, you can install it. And now you will find the AAD app installed on your phone. You can just click on it from here and open it. After that, now you need to enable unknown sources for the app so it can install another apps on your phone. So from here you need to click on Custom app to install it on your phone, as see from here. Click on the latest version and click on OK. So now it will install on your phone. This app will actually let you use YouTube on Android Auto. As see from here, the app is successfully installed. You can just open it. And now click on the three dots on the top right and go to the settings. From here you can actually enable the desktop mode as see from here, and that will actually fix the view on Android Auto. After that, the app will look like this as see from here. You can just open it, and now you can actually enjoy YouTube on your Android Auto device on any car. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.